So I need to replace my flush valve because the toilet seems to just constantly drain and we can hear it fill up. So I decided to use this sponge to help me remove some of the water that's still in the bottom of the tank. This was the easiest way I figured I can do it. I need to remove that nut. It was a 13 millimeter. If you have issues removing that nut, it may be because this bolt is spinning, so you may need to use a flathead to hold it while you use your socket wrench to unscrew the nut.
Oh my God!
Make sure you don't over tight anything because you don't want to crack it. The same goes for this nut. I just wanted to tighten it slightly. I use food coloring in the tank. This will help you see if it's still leaking when you open up the commode to look in the bowl. So now I just need to wait about 10 to 15 minutes to see if it leaks. So it's been about an hour because I forgot about it. There's no pink or red color, so that lets me know it's not leaking.